and welcome to the 5th episode of our Advent Calendar series.
And if you're new here, be sure to smack that subscribe button
And the bell.
so you can watch this at 10 a.m. every day, Central Time. And if you don't know what this is, we're going to be opening up a bunch of compartments. And in each of them are 5 different gifts for 5 different kids, including this guy and that guy.
Here's child number 5. Now he exists in my arms. Also, one of you smarty pants counted all of these compartments and realized there's only 22.
Also, we got numbers today.
Yep, we got numbers this time. But we're going to be reusing boxes, as you can see.
These ones.
This one right here, this one was number 1.
Got
but
2
it's
doors.
also number 8.
So, today, we're going to be opening up number 5. We got no card, but we know it's from Nintendo. Micah, we're ready for you. Hi.
All right, Micah, we're going to open up number 5.
Number 5, let's go ahead and go. Someone else get the stuff out of there.
All right, Micah, guess what?
Pikachu! Wait, look at
Oh my gosh, he said Pikachu!
Look at how cute this Pikachu is.
It's such a good Pikachu,
He wants orange cat.
which is Eevee. So far we got a Pikachu plush and an Eevee
All right, we
plush.
got an Eevee plush.
Jacy. Orange kitty. He's with a K, not a T.
It's a K.
Also, the Pikachu is really cute. These are high quality.
We have Nintendo hats. So let me get one and put it on. Right here,
I want one.
All right, there you go.
All right. They also sent us three Switch
Three,
beanies.
count them, 3.
And I really like beanies because they make my hair look kind of.
All right, so we got some blankets.
We got some blankets for Mr. Mask Man. Switch blankets!
Oh yeah. Okay, we got 1. Beautiful. We got 2.
I shall buy them.
There's our hats.
4 hats,
More
5
hats.
for each of us, except for
Yay.
Luca, because they didn't equate for Luca.
Oh my gosh, guess what I found?
A bow!
Yeah, a
no,
bow.
There's something else in there. I forgot about it, but it's in there.
Yeah, there's something else in it. I can feel it. Oh my gosh! What is this?
It's Mario Party.
Super Mario
Oh,
Party!
it's Super Mario Party. I couldn't see it.
The
So-
newest installation of Mario Party.
We play Mario Party like a lot on our Nintendo 64 that we have, so it holds a dear place in our heart.
Sure does.
What's this? Hello. Please be sure to include proper FTC disclosure.
Okay.
These were free products!
Thank you, Nintendo, for the free product.
Thank you.
Alright, with that out of the way, Mushroom Kingdom gift tags.
So all the friends that we don't have, we can put them on the gifts to them, and then it'll be to and from.
Yeah, and we got more.
All the friends we don't have.
More.
We got
We just got a bunch. They assume we actually have 16 friends.
Wait! Cat. Oh, what's that?
Wishing KittiesMama happy holidays from your friends at Nintendo.
Wow.
Thanks,
Mario
Nintendo.
and Yoshi.
Oh.
Okay, let's make sure I'm not missing anything else. There's a lot of wrapping paper in here.
Yeah, it came with the box. I thought it was good to include it in there.
No, there's nothing else in there.
This is tissue paper. So thank you, Nintendo, for the free product. We really appreciate it. And of course, we always love Nintendo.
Yes.
And thank you for watching episode 5. It's a nice number, isn't it?
Sure is.
So I'll see you tomorrow for number 6.
Root 5 is irrational.
Stay tuned at 10 a.m. Central Time.
That's right.
Like this video, click these rectangles, and click this circle.